Herbal medicine. Herbal medicine is sometimes called herbalism or botanical medicine. It is the practice of using plants or parts of plants to treat illnesses, relieve ailments, and maintain overall good health. Leaves, flowers, stems, berries, and roots of plants are all used in herbal remedies. Their medicinal power results from the presence of secondary metabolites in plants. Primary metabolites are responsible for a plant's growth, development, and reproduction. Secondary metabolites, on the other hand, defend the plant against harmful bacteria and predators. Interestingly, these substances, when ingested into the body, will often fight human diseases and ailments. Although doctors of Western medicine often consider herbalism to be a largely experimental practice, herbs remain the oldest and most widely valued source of human healing. Societies living before the beginning of written history used plants as medicine. The Lascaux cave paintings discovered in France depict plants as healing agents. These paintings date back to 15,000 BCE. Within the bones of Stone Age skeletons, archaeologists have found traces of marshmallow root, hyacinth, and yarrow. Herbalists today use marshmallow root to soothe sore throats, hyacinth to encourage weight loss, and yarrow to reduce symptoms of fever. The ancient civilizations of China and Babylon instructed their citizens on the use of such herbal remedies as mint for digestive disorders and ephedra for respiratory distress. Early societies of the Middle East also believed in the healing powers of herbs. Texts written by the ancient peoples of Mesopotamia and India describe the use of several medicinal products derived from plants. These products include castor oil, linseed oil, and white poppies. Egyptian hieroglyphs depict physicians using senna pods, caraway, and peppermint to treat patients suffering from constipation and other digestion-related problems. During the Middle Ages, most families grew medicinal herbs at home. Families orally passed down remedies and practices from generation to generation. By the 17th century, herbalism had spread throughout much of Western Europe. In 1649, English physician Nicholas Culpeper wrote a physical directory. This manual was one of the first to offer medical advice for the common man. The first directory of herbal medicine available in the United States was Pharmacopoeia, published in 1820. The book included a long list of herbal drugs and their properties, uses, and dosages. But with the evolution of Western medicine in the 19th century, its popularity subsided. Western medical philosophy viewed medicine as a science. Medical researchers developed scientific methods for carefully removing the active ingredients in herbal plants. Drugs containing concentrated amounts of these ingredients replaced raw herbal drugs. Herbalism, once in common practice, thus became an alternative form of medicine. It is often thought of as unconventional and unscientific. The popularity of herbal medicine has declined in Western societies, but the use of herbs remains a key part of traditional medical practices around the world. The World Health Organization, or WHO, estimates that roughly 80% of the world's population use herbal remedies as a source of treatment. Ayurvedic, homeopathic, naturopathic, Asian, and Native American medicines all include herbalism in their practices. Even Western pharmaceuticals made from herbs are often given as cures for the same illnesses for which these plants were traditionally used. Morphine and codeine, for example, are strong pain-relieving drugs derived from the opium poppy, which was commonly used as a tranquilizer in Victorian times. Herbs today are available in many forms. They are taken fresh or dried and packaged as tablets. Depending on the type of herb and the intended use, they can also be used in capsules, teas, tinctures, compresses, lozenges, ointments, and oils. Herbalists recommend these formulas over many plant-based pharmaceutical drugs for their holistic properties. They believe that the healing power of herbs results from the interaction of all its ingredients. Because Western drugs contain only isolated components of whole herbs, they lack minerals, vitamins, oils, and other ingredients that not only enhance the medicinal effects of the herb, but also mask its potential toxicity. Alone, active herbal compounds can easily become toxic, even in small amounts. When taken in their natural form, however, these compounds become harmful only at very high dosages.